Today, we're looking at the leads generated over 3 consecutive years of digital marketing on one Facebook Marketplace account. While the video rolls, I thought it would be a great opportunity to talk strategy about using Facebook Marketplace for business. One of the worst setbacks any business can face when relying on Facebook Marketplace for lead generation is account restrictions and loss of Marketplace privileges. As you can see here from this account, we've managed to keep Marketplace healthy and rack up thousands of leads over a 3-year period because we took good care of the account. Let's talk about what it means to take care of a Facebook account as it relates to using Marketplace for business. First, there's a common and dangerous misconception that posting more ads is better. Quite to the contrary, the fewer ads you can post in order to acquire the same amount of customers, the better results will be for both the algorithm and for your time. By posting too many ads, Facebook throttles Marketplace accounts and limits their reach as punishment for spam-like behavior. The best choice for immediate revenue and long-term account health is to post optimized ads with precise targeting. Many business owners find themselves frustrated and confused when running ads on Marketplace because they post 20 listings per day but only get a few messages. Our research and practical experience promoting for hundreds of retailers across the USA shows that posting just one optimized ad can be more effective than running hundreds of mediocre listings. With Marketplace, volume is not always the answer. We recommend posting no more than one ad per account per day, but up to 3 is acceptable on seasoned accounts that have been in use for over a year. The next consideration when preserving Facebook Marketplace for long-term business use is communication with customers. The number one reason why customers get upset and report listings is due to price discrepancies. When a customer stops into your store and they can't find that exact item you have listed for $799, a statistical average of about 1 in 10 people will be angry enough to file a complaint with Facebook. By attacking your account with aggressive flagging, customers can impact your account's reach and even lead you to get banned permanently. This illuminates how important it is to communicate effectively with all your prospective customers, letting them know when products have sold out or when prices change. Giving customers a phone number to call for updated pricing is a great way to diffuse hostilities. Try using a disclaimer in your ads letting customers know that prices are subject to change. If your ad drops off completely and you're getting much fewer messages than before, it's likely you were flagged. Here's a pro tip. Try keeping your address out of your ads if you want to control the flow of customers into your store. Our next point might seem obvious, but some sellers still don't know that Facebook doesn't approve of website URLs or phone numbers in Marketplace ads. It's true that about 40% of ads slip through Facebook's AI moderation, but the other 60% of ads get flagged immediately, which can damage your Marketplace account for months, sometimes even years. It's best to wait and send your website or phone number to customers who message you in response to your Marketplace ads. It might seem like extra work, but it's great for the algorithm and will keep your account in good standing. Our final point addresses the Renew button on Marketplace and when to avoid using it. When one of your ads is performing well, there's often no need to press the Renew button and renew your Marketplace listing for another 7 days. The Marketplace algorithm is admittedly complex, but its structure is sloppy and pieced together like a Jenga tower. Therefore, you can't always take what Facebook says seriously. Tips given by the platform suggesting that users renew their listings can be misleading and should be ignored if an ad is already doing well and consistently bringing in leads without any renewals. Our agency is witness to the dangerous effect of poorly timed renewals on Marketplace ads. By clicking the Renew button when it isn't necessary, you have around a 60% chance of unintentionally stemming the flow of your leads and losing potential business. Training offered at MarketMaster provides students with the insights to understand when and when not to renew Marketplace listings. Our most successful students develop a sixth sense for how to optimize the use of Facebook Marketplace in as little as 3 months. To everyone who stayed until the end, keep making wise choices with your Marketplace accounts. If you can keep them healthy, you'll have years to collect uninterrupted data like you've seen here today.